Good day, everyone. Now let us quickly solve this question. What is the mass of 3 moles of oxygen gas, O2? Now, can you know the price of 5 oranges without knowing the price of 1? So the question here is that what is the mass of 3 moles of oxygen gas? Then we ask ourselves, what is the mass of 1 mole? Because if we know the mass of 1 mole, then we can know the mass of what? 3 moles. So now, how do we write 1 mole of oxygen gas? This is 1 mole of oxygen gas, 1 O2, like this. But you know, we don't need to put the 1. So we just say 1 mole of oxygen gas is O2. Then what is the mass of that 1 mole of oxygen gas? So we find the mass. Relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Because of these 2, I will say times what? Times 2. That is going to give me 16 times 2, that's 32 what? Grams. So it means that 1 mole of oxygen gas has how many grams? 32 grams, right? So I will now say 3 moles now. 3 moles of oxygen gas will now have what mass? Because I don't know now. Now let's cross like this. 1 times x is what? X. Then equals to 3 times 32. 3 times 32. So we can multiply that. 32, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. So x is equals to 90 what? 96 what? Remember, we are looking for mass. So that's 96 what? Grams. And that is the answer. Thank you.